In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your Klaviyo email campaign or template. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and opening the email campaign or template where you want to add the GIF. In the left-hand menu, you won't see a dedicated GIF option, but you can insert a GIF using the image block. Drag and drop the image block to the desired location in your email. Once placed, click Select Image on the left-hand side. If the GIF is saved on your device, switch to the Upload Image tab. Click Select Images and navigate to the saved GIF file. Make sure the file type is GIF before selecting it. Click Open, then Upload. Once uploaded, the GIF will appear in your email where you place the image block. Alternatively, if your GIF is hosted online, you can use the Import URL option. For example, if you find a GIF on a site like Pixabay, right-click the GIF, choose Copy Image Address, and return to Klaviyo. In the Import URL field, paste the link, then click Import Image. The GIF will load directly into your email. Once the GIF is in place, you can adjust its size or position just like any other image in Klaviyo. This allows you to add animated elements to your campaigns without additional plugins. This is how you can easily add a GIF in Klaviyo.